So at reInvent this year, we basically wanted to build a practical industrial IoT use case demo. And so I begged and pleaded for a robotic arm because I thought this was one of the cool ways that we can showcase anomaly detection, which is one of the key asks from our customer. So we have a robot arm here, which is essentially doing a task that would happen in a logistics center. So you could imagine, say, an Amazon, and we're sorting parcels. Essentially what the robot arm is going to do is it's going to pick up blocks from the sorting bin, it's going to place them into the sorting bin area, and it's going to place them based upon their color coding into the correct bins. Now, nothing's perfect in life, right? This robot is going to misbehave and unperform in certain areas. So what we're doing with InfluxDB is we're actually monitoring every different aspect of this robot. So each joint is its own sensor. We monitor the temperature, the voltage, the coordinates of each point of the robot. And this is all valuable data in what we're using to derive anomalies in our robot. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to plot out the coordinates. I'm going to keep setting this up as we do it. And the idea here is that once we have this data, we can predict when the robot's performing good and when the robot's performing bad. If the robot's performing good, we should see constant bin pickups, sorting the bin out, putting it into the correct block. If the robot malfunctions or we lose a block, what you'll see is we classify it as a death loop. The robot will continually try to either pick up new blocks or fail to pick up the block from the sorting area. And we can derive value through that through what we call an autoencoder. So an autoencoder is an unsupervised neural network. It basically allows us to train on what's good and what's bad data. So yeah, that's kind of the demo that we're taking. I'm going to keep setting this up and hopefully we'll show you a running demo later on in another video. Thanks all.